It's finally here. Bucktool's 8-inch, 1 horsepower, variable speed grinder. RPM as low as 900, as high as 3,600. Ooh, this is a sharpener's dream right here. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate off the little bench here when it hits 2,000 RPM. But I guess if it does, you guys win, because I'll have caught it on camera and you'll have a good laugh at that. Well, let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Oh, look at that. All right, take two, because I wasn't in focus. Well, this is interesting. Got a sticker pack. First time I've ever got a sticker pack when I bought a set of tools, but kind of smart because there's more tools on these stickers that I might want. A couple of them I just like because they look cool. Instruction manual, trash. No, I'm teasing. We'll actually use it. We got our power supply cord. Looks like some maybe safety or jig attachments. Eye protection guards. And tool rest. Now for the fun part. There she is, first look. All right, I will just take her out of the box and we'll set her up here. Boy, it's definitely a heavy piece of equipment. I think it's like 50 pounds, jeez. In fact, I wonder if the instructions tell you how to pull it out the best way. Let's just take a quick peek. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. There we go. That on there. Well, I guess we can take it off. Really slick looking machine there. I like the matte black finish, the red logo. See, this thing belongs in this shop. I love it. So far, so good. Looks like aluminum oxide wheels. Probably won't be using those. I see myself swapping those out for either diamond or CBN in the near future. Okay. And in the back here, you've got your power outlet. This feels like the same kind of cords that come with like a PC. Same adapters. So it's kind of nice seeing them repurpose existing kinds of parts. A little light. There's a little bit of light coming out of that. I do wish they made those things a little bit more powerful though. Nice digital display. Power on and boom, she's running. I'm gonna go ahead and stand behind it for our first time here. Very quiet. Vibration's not that bad. Go max speed. I just hit the 900. Nice easy wind down. So far so good. And stop. So it's running or it's not. Program. Oh, we'll have to mess around with the program menu in the future. Oh, here you go. Put it down. Okay, so that's how you program it. So if you find a sweet spot you like, here's 1500. Let's say I like 1000. I'll come down to 1000. Oh, if it'll let me. All right, 990, and I just hold the program button down. And boom. It winds down to 990. That's pretty slick. I like that. Well, here's a small detail I appreciate. They put all the important specs that you need to know on the back for quick reference. You got your wheel arbor size. You even put the grid of the stones wheels that came with them, model number in case you need to reference that. Yeah, I'm really impressed by the quality so far. Well, she didn't wobble herself off. And if you stick around a couple more minutes, you'll see a fun grind test at the end of this video. Boy, she ran super smooth. I am impressed. I remember when I first plugged in my Raycon and I had it probably on the same spot, that thing was about to walk itself right off. But this thing's got a super heavy base. The whole thing, I think, is 57 pounds, something like that. I forget. But anyways, it's, yeah, I could probably just leave it right here if I wanted to. I don't even think I need to bolt this guy down to anything. I'm really, the reason I purchased this was for the variable speed control. And that's important to me because of heat and sharpening. I'm gonna end up taking these guards off the ends here, and we're gonna replace it with more than likely 8-inch diamond wheels. And those 8-inch diamond wheels, they're way cheaper than 10-inch wheels, let me tell you. So I'm excited. Once we get those on there, we'll get the Tormek support bars behind them, and we'll be zipping through knives in no time. It's gonna be, I'm not in a hurry to do all this. So maybe over the next month or so, we'll have that rig all set up. And make sure you subscribe to watch the progression as we get there. And other than that, I say buy this if you're looking. The closest version to this is made by a company called Jet. I was eyeballing that months ago when we were voting on going Raycon or a different direction. But that thing all in is like $800. This one all in $450. Not a small purchase by any means, but this thing exceeded my expectations based off of what I was expecting off the Amazon photos, you know? It's just absolutely beautiful. I love the matte black finish, you know, everything about it, the digital dial, and most importantly, that variable speed control, or in my head, heat and sharpening control. All right, enjoy this grind test.